what is maximum or minimum value of the function fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. So what is maximum or minimum value of the function fx is equal to sin x plus cos x? So simply we go for the process, and what is given over here? So fx कति हो भने fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. So f dash x means derivative of this function. So sin x को derivative cos x को derivative minus sin x. So f dash of x को value how much we are getting? Cos x minus sin x. So first step, the first derivative how much we are getting? Cos x and sin x. Next one, and the second derivative also, that will be easy. So if double dash x means second derivative. So derivative of d cos x minus sin x dx. So this one is cos x को derivative minus sin x. This is how much here? Cos x. Okay. For stationary point, f dash of x को value कति हुनु पर्छ? 0. So f dash of x 0 means how much here? Cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. Cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. It means cos x, it means sin x is equal to cos x. Sin x is equal to कति आउँछ? Cos x. So sin x by cos x is equal to cos x by cos x. So implies tan x is equal to 1. So tan x is equal to 1 भनेको simple value find गरिदिउँ. What we know, the formula we know, this is how much CEST. So cost formula we know. So tan x is equal to 1 means how many degrees? 1 tan 45 degrees equal to 1, and tan 135 degree, that's not possible. So third quadrant. So tan x is equal to 1, that means this is equal to how much here? Tan 45 degree. We are writing in degree only, or tan 180 plus 45. So we can get the value of x is equal to how much here? 45 degree or 225 degree. Clear? So we are not taking more than this value, so easier. So x is equal to either 45 degree or 225 degree. Okay. So the value of x we have got either 45 degree or 225 degree. So now if double dash of x at x is equal to 45 degree. So this one is how much here? Minus sin 45 degree minus cos 45 degree. So this is minus 1 by minus 1, and this is again cos 45. Sin 45 is how much here? 1 over root 2, and cos 45 is minus 1, means cos 45 is also 1 over root 2. So both are less than 0. So the sum again becomes how much here? Less than 0, means negative. Therefore fx is maximum at x is equal to 45 degree, and maximum value is f of 45 degree. So this is how much here? Cos sine 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. So cos sine 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. So this one is how much here? So maximum value is equal to how much? 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 means 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. Clear? So one value again we check at which point? At x is equal to 2 to 5 degree. So second derivative f double dash of 2 to 5 means second derivative. Also let us check this is how much here? Negative of sine 2 to 5 and again minus cos 2 to 5. So sine 2 to 5. So sine 2 to 5, 225 lies in third quadrant. So this one value is negative. So this is minus of minus 1 by root 2. Again this is how much here? Cos 2 to 5. Again this one lies in third quadrant. So this is also what here? Negative minus 1 by root 2. So this one greater than 0. Clear? So this minus and minus plus, minus and minus plus. So this is greater than 0. Therefore fx is minimum at x is equal to 2 to 5 degree and minimum value f of 2 to 5 is equal to how much here? Sine 2 to 5 plus cos 2 to 5. So sine 2 to 5 third quadrant negative is how much here? Minus 1 by root 2, and again cos 2 to 5 is negative minus 1 by root 2, so minus root 2. So what we have got, the maximum value is at 45 degree, that is root 2. Now the minimum कति मागिराखेको छ? x is equal to 2 to 5 degree मा, and minimum value is negative of root 2. So these are the maximum and minimum value of fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Okay, this was.